All right, we got a 2020 Nissan Kicks key fob. We're gonna open it up to replace the battery. So on the back side here, you have this sliding button that we're gonna slide to the right with our thumb, hold it down, and pull out the emergency key. Once we have the emergency key pulled out, we're gonna turn it over on the bottom. You can see these two little slots. There's one here and one here. They're not very deep. They're just deep enough to put a small flathead screwdriver or a butter knife or something in. Won't go very far, but just stick it in there like that and give it a twist clockwise. Okay, once you do that, it kind of cracks the remote open without damaging the remote. Do it to both sides, okay? And they'll see how it's open right now. Now you can stick the screwdriver in here and work your way around gently and open it up. And on the back side of the remote is the battery. Go over here on the top side, there's a little slot where you can just gently pry the battery out. Battery size is going to be a CR2032 with the positive sign facing down in the remote. You can see this contact right here. We need to put the battery up against it and slide the battery in until it locks in place. If you need a battery, I'll have a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can get the right battery for this remote. So we're going to put it together. We're going to start at the top and work our way down until it clicks, and then emergency goes back and locks. You're all done.